Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a huge Alinacutle ALINACRAFT haul. Just so you guys know, on November 11th, they're having like a huge sale again. I think their last one was several months ago on Aliexpress. So they'll be having like discounts and all sorts of stuff. So if you want, start putting stuff in your cart and wait for that day and start checking out. There's a lot of stuff, so I'm gonna get right into it. I didn't make any examples today just because there were so many and I was trying to get the haul video out. I'm back from vacation, I broke a nail, and I need to get my stuff fixed. So anyway, there's these little like dolls. There's a boy and a girl version. Okay, so this is like the main body. So he's naked, or he or she is naked. It's just the body that you can do, and then it comes like you can get different outfits for, you know, depending on a girl or a boy. Like this one has the hat, the shirt, the tie, the pants, to layer it apart and, you know, paper piece and put these little dolls together. Hopefully you can see that it's not like glaring. So there's that one, and then here's this little boy, more of a little stud in his outfit right there. Then there's the girl with her little hat, little pigtails. And there's this boy, so he has different hair and different like hat as well, little suspenders. And then there's this little girl, she has the little Santa hat and the little furry fuzz with the little ball, her little cute dress with the polka dots poked out. And then there is this one, which is the little girl. Look at those that little bow pigtails. How cute is that, you guys? See her hair? You put the little pieces right here for the pigtail. So you could like the combinations of putting these together, and I did see a video on YouTube how she pieced these together as well, because she did like so many different combinations. I will link her down below on how you would ideas to put that together. Then there's this cute little flower one. Here's the little centerpiece. Again, 3 different sizes, so you would kind of stagger them to make it look like a 3D embellishment, basically. And then there's this cute heart one. So these are 2 different pieces once you take them apart. I saw Scrap Diva 29 do like, she did this part in glitter, I think, or something. And it just looked so cute. I was like, oh my gosh, that is so pretty. And look, now I have that die. Then these, it's like a heart cut out on the edge with the scallop, the small and the big version. Again, like I got one for a friend, and then this one's mine. I think these just add so much character to a regular bow, like with the edge. Not only is it scalloped, but it's like a little heart detail that punches out. Isn't that cute? And you could either get it separately, like, oh, I want the big one or I want the little one, or for a little bit more but still cheaper than buying them individually, you can get, you know, the 2 together as like a combo pack, basically. And then there's this one with this little flower stamp that has like a lot of like good sentiments on here, like happy thoughts, you make me happy, you're everything for me, sending kisses, happiness, hug, love, joy, just for you. And then once you stamp this flower, the die to cut it out. So that's that one. Then there's this one. These kind of remind me of the Alti dies. So it's like the stamp, like a rose stamp, and you would stamp it in like different layers. Here's the little main, like the piece that would pop out. Look at the little leaves. And then again, the coordinating dies that cut out these pieces as well. Then this cute little guy. I can't wait to play with this snowman. I think I want to make a Christmas card with this guy. The hat, the nose, the arms, the little scarf, the little carrot nose, super cute. Then this little magic like wand, snowflake wand, reminds me of something Anna and Elsa would have from the movie Frozen. And then these are almost like paper clips, like they would slide onto a page, like, you know, for a book, or if you're trying to read a book and you want to save that page. These are like page markers, basically. It says joy, love, and hugs. And I'm super excited for these. These are squares with like a jagged edge, like you know, it's just not a regular plain boring square, as character. So it's the biggest one is a little under 5 inches. And then I also look at the rectangle version of like the jagged edge, I guess that's what you would call it, is 4 inches by 5.5 inches. So these are big. These are pretty big, you guys. Good size. Then there's this one with the like little swirl detailing, and this one, oops, is 4.5 inches circle diameter. Then there's this one with the edge, the scalloped edge, and you can, I like these are good for like if you're making a card and you don't want the edge of your card to be like a regular just straight cut line, you could do this, and I think that's super pretty. Then everybody's been hauling this, and you guys, I wonder if my video will look like that as well. This die looks huge when people are holding it, or did I get a smaller die? Like, I feel like this looks so giant, like on camera with people's thing, or I don't even know. But it's 4 1/4 inches long. That's it, 4 1/4. I feel like when I was looking at everybody's videos, it looks 7 inches long. But basically this one right here, because I do not have a Rolodex die or die cut or nothing. I do have an electronic cutting machine, but that's, you know, that's a whole nother game. You with logging in, doing this and that. This is just a die that you can cut and make a Rolodex of any shape that you want. And also, if you want to make a Rolodex card, memory dex card, you can make this, you know, make a regular rectangle, cut the bottom with this piece, and then you could do the top, like as in tabs, and you can escalate the tabs, you know? So this one's like this shape, this one's like a heart shaped, this is like a traditional, and then this one's arched, and then it does come with the top piece so that you can layer it once you cut it out in either different pattern paper or colored. So I can't wait to play with this one. And then this really pretty one, and this is a big one, you guys. Let's see. Why do I always have my stuff upside down? This one's just a hair under 6 inches, but it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different dies, and it's like a doily scalloped, very detailed, pretty die. And then this one, even the holes come out, you could stitch like some type of string or ribbon in between these holes in this one and this one, these two. And this one has like a stitched detail, super pretty. Cannot wait to play with these. I'm back from vacation. I'm so excited. And then these are like border edges. You can use these like on a card, or you could stick these like on a, cut your strip, your rectangle, put these on the edge, and now you have this many different designs of a rosette once you like accordion fold it, you know. But look at that cute little heart detailing. And then this one, like this little scalloped one, this is like a little seashell looking kind of. This little heart one as well, shaped kind of like a heart, then there's this house die. I saw Gloria, who's Crafty Cakes here on YouTube. She made a Halloween version of this house, and I was like, I was instantly thinking, obviously, because Halloween's almost over, like a gingerbread house kind of. Obviously, I haven't played with it yet, but it comes with the 3 different pieces because it's a big die, you guys. It's like this, like a paper house. So if you wanted to build a little village, you could. So the roof comes like that, and it cuts out the holes on the top, and then the door and the window frames. Super cute. And then this one is, I did talk to Alina, and she said that it will not necessarily cut in your like a regular 6-inch cutting machine. It has to be those like extra large machines. So they were going to probably redesign it and shrink it down just a hair so that it'll run through completely on, you know, a regular die cutting machine. So I'm going to play with this, and if I can't, the only part that wouldn't cut would be this part, like Gloria said. So you would just have to, it's a straight cut right here. There's no like fancy embossing or anything right there. You would just have to cut it across if it didn't fit in your machine, because these all fit in a regular 6-inch machine. So yes, let's see. That is my huge Crafty Alinacutle haul. And I just love, like, you guys know if you've been ordering off Aliexpress that like most Aliexpress dies come with just the die in a clear cellophane bag, rattling around, and you're like, okay, what did I order? What is this? You're like trying to move it around and piece it together. I just love Alina's packaging, that it comes on a little piece of tape. It's not scrambled around, shaking in. She's one of the few that puts like a hard piece of cardstock with her branding. And I think it's just very professional. Like, look at all her, find her store, ALINACRAFT, and then she even has a second page as well. But do you get what I'm saying? Like, it feels like something that if you buy one, you can gift it. Versus if you get another die from AliExpress and it's all like in 50 pieces at the bottom of a bag and you gift it to someone, they're like, okay, thanks for giving me your scraps. You're like, no, I bought it that way. But this is just, it's nice, you know, it's well packaged and the fastest delivery on AliExpress by far. So super professional, gets back to you fast. Love it. Okay, I will catch you guys on the next crafty haul. Bye guys.